see if I see any supply of water though. Repair this guy. See if this was going Yeah, I can't put that down. So it's recording audio as well? Okay. Let's try and be quiet.
I'll wipe it on this recording. I'll just mute it when I upload it. I'll do a setting for the next one that will turn off the audio. You can always just put a dummy plug in the... You just have an empty headphone jack. It has nothing connected to it. I can... stick that in there.
Oh man, just from experience, should I contact the guy and tell him like, hey, I know you also have this not working. We'll try and figure it out, or...
No.
Nah, I mean, it's not working for him. We can't see anything.
Just make a note on the system.
Tell the guy, listen, we couldn't see anything on the screen. We didn't know it was working. But you know how people are, like, oh, that was working before. Sure, you had a fully functional device.
That's why you came in. Do you have a headphone jack that...
Yeah. There's some stuff here.
Because then I can plug that in as a microphone. No, just one of your headphone jacks. The cheap plastic China ones.
Oh, those jacks.
Yeah.
Are you gonna short it out, or?
No, I'm just gonna plug that in as a microphone. What's a microphone that has nothing connected to it?
But it's not gonna trigger. It's not gonna trigger. It's open. It's open. The circuits. It's like me plugging in at random.
I don't think that's how it detects it. It detects.
If I were to plug it into my phone doesn't do anything because it says, "Hey, there's nothing connected to it."
Because your phone is smart. This thing is dumb. It might just have metal contacts, you know?
Yeah.
Like the good old school way of detecting things was just...
Metal contact?
Yeah, metal contact. Problem is, this is so cheap, it doesn't even have a microphone in.
Okay, that pays off like having that girl's truck in.
I'm just kind of paranoid of the Apple Store now. I don't like going in there anymore.
Bad,
I've had it.
I guess. You have to deal with somebody else, like a new face every time, huh? It's always somebody else,
It's just.
Well, that's good to know about Radio Shack.
No, I'm gonna have to. I mean, this is like the first time I've really officially seen somebody come from the Radio Shack.
I mean, have the other employees at the other location ask about them. Like, hey, where do you come in? Because I saw her with the car. I'm like, oh, like somebody recommended you, you know? Spend your life to have an idea. You know, I had a conversation with the bus driver today, and I just ended up talking at one point about my electric scooter, and he's like, oh man, if you ever want to get rid of it, man, talk to me, I'll buy it off of you.
Mm-hmm.
Because I told him it's so unique, you won't find something so, you know, this
lightweight and powerful.
And especially since mine is modified with lithium battery and all that, it's just really an attractive device.
Yeah, it's a privilege to be able to ride one. I mean, you have to know about it and find one, and also be able to maintain it.
Yeah. Where's my tool? Where's my tool? I don't want to break this guy's digitizer. I think I do have another broken digitizer, just in case it cracks, and it's a bigger issue with the motherboard. Because there are you've seen those cases, right, where the digitizer not working is due to the motherboard.
Yes, I've seen that. Yeah. So far, I had a good streak. Not breaking these guys. Okay, there we go. R1 secure.
Oh, when Megan showed up, she had already cuts in her hands. Little bite from her job.
Wow.
She, you have to deal with sharp knives and all that. She accidentally cut herself. And man, this reminded me of that time you cut yourself on the finger.
Yeah.
That was crazy. Hey there, come in. Yes, how can I help you today?
I don't know.
Simple Molo.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
I would like, I don't know.
You want to join the service?
No, just,
Get information on it?
this.
$40 plan? Yeah, this is a no pamphlet. The $40 plan essentially introduces the service on a 30 days time frame. Essentially with the $40 you get unlimited talk, text, and data domestically here in the US. You also have international text